And welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. We're still doing our trip around the world with our world of flavors. Today we are going to Japan and we are making sushi. So follow me. Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today I'm in the kitchen making some sushi. Who likes sushi? I don't like raw fish sushi, but there's other kinds of sushi. Like, for instance, California rolls, or you can have some crispy fried shrimp in those sushi rolls and things. Well, today I'm gonna do some California rolls. And so, let's get to it. I'll start off with my ingredients, okay? So for sushi, you need seaweed wraps. So I've got some seaweed wraps. I've got some sticky rice, some sesame oil. So this is my sesame oil, y'all. Sesame oil and some water. I have an avocado, a cucumber, and then I have some imitation crab legs. I've got some shrimp down in here too. It's cooked shrimp. So there's all different things you can put in sushi. So I'm just gonna put a few things in there, give you the basics of how to make it, and then you can put whatever it is you like. You can add carrots and spinach and all kinds of vegetables. You could put meat. It doesn't just have to be seafood. You put whatever you want in there. But today we're gonna cook some California rolls, so let's get to it. Okay, so to get us started, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel my cucumber just with a regular potato peeler. You see how long it is? I'm gonna leave it long. You know what, this is real long. Maybe I'll cut it in half. Okay, so I have my cucumber peeled. So what I wanna do is, like I said, I'm gonna cut it in half. And then I will make, julienne. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna julienne it, okay? So let's cut it in half first. Let's cut that in half. Then we'll try and cut those in half. Hold them together. Hold it. There we go. So there's a lot of seeds in here. I don't want those seeds in there, so I'm gonna take me a spoon and just scrape those out. See how now, let me get rid of those. Now we just have a piece with no seeds. Do the same, just take that, scrape those out. Another piece with no seeds. Just a little bit, we're gonna get those out of there. There we go. This one, so I'm gonna go ahead and do all of these. This one isn't as thin as julienne as I would like it, so I'm gonna cut it in half. Take the rest of these, pull the seeds out, cut this one in half. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my avocado ready. I'm gonna slice this, go all the way around it. I don't know if this avocado is ripe enough. It's a little on the tough side. We're gonna see. Okay. Twist it. Yeah, this one might not be ripe enough. It's not letting me twist it. Did I cut it all the way? I did. Nope. Oh, I didn't cut it all the way. I was about to say. Oh, wait. Yes, I did. Oops. Well, we're gonna get this out of there. Yeah, this avocado isn't right. Unfortunately, my avocado was not ripe enough. It's too hard. So we're not gonna be able to put avocado in our sushi today, which is fine. Like I said, you can put whatever it is you like in your sushi. So right now, we have our sticky rice, we have our cucumber, and we have our imitation crab. What I'm gonna do with that, slice those up a little thin as well. Because you want thin pieces. So let's see. So we have some, oops, let's place this one a little thinner as well. Okay. So what we're going to do now is take our seaweed wrap. Let me cut that open. And that's what it looks like, okay? So what I want to do is, let me get this out of your way. I want you to be able to see this. Let me put this over here. I'm going to put, oh, I need to put my rice first. I'm gonna put my rice first. So what I did with my sticky rice is I made some rice and I just added a little extra water to it, so it's just sticky, as you can see, which is why I have my little cup of water over here so I can rinse my fingers off with it. And I'm gonna take my rice almost up to the edge. I think I'm gonna leave it about an inch from the edge. Spread it out really well, make sure everything's kind of covered. You see how it's sticking to my fingers? Now they have Japanese sticky rice you can buy, but I just have some plain old white rice that I just cooked with a little extra water to make it sticky. No need in going out buying extra stuff you just don't have to have. I mean, you know, most of us always have white rice in the house. So let's see, we don't want it to be too thick. So I think that's good. Nice layer. You want a thin layer. You don't want it to be too thick. But I need a little bit more up towards this edge right here, because I only want it to be an inch away. All right, there we go. And then I'm gonna dip my fingers in the water, rinse those off so that we can use our hands. Okay, so what I wanna do, oh, I guess we should put some stuff in here, right? So I'm gonna put a cucumber and I'm going to put some crab meat in there, okay? So, you know what? I think I'm gonna put a little shrimp in here as well, because we didn't have our avocado. I'm gonna cut up a little bit of shrimp and put in here as well. How about that? Ooh, look at that, y'all. Why not? Yeah, there we go. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our sesame seed oil ready, because we need to keep our paper, some sesame seed oil on our paper, so that it will help. See how I'm rubbing this on here? And what you wanna do is, once you roll it a little, pull it so that it's tight. Losing my rice. Keep adding your oil. Keep pulling it tight. Keep adding your oil. Keep pulling it tight. Keep adding your oil. And then we're gonna put some on this edge, because this edge is where it's gonna be sticking. There we go. I'm gonna smash it real tight. Put it back on here. I'm gonna put my fingers back in the water. wipe them off. And then we're going to start to slice our roll. Let me go get a plate so I can put it on the plate. Okay, now we're gonna start to slice our roll. I have me a plate here. Just cut that end off. I want you to be able to see what's in there. There's some cucumber. Wait, where's our cucumber? It's up in there. And I'll show you some more as I slice it. What's in there? There's a piece of crab meat. So let me start to slice these. Hold it tight. Ooh, this one's falling apart. It's all right. Slice them a little thicker. Yeah, there we go. Slice them a little thicker. See? I like avocado, so this would have been really good with the avocado in it, but that's okay. I'll make another one. I'm gonna put extra cucumbers for that crunch. Look at that. Ta-da! We got sushi, y'all. We got sushi, y'all. I want to do one more. That was fun. That was fun. What did I do with my... All right, come on. Let's do one more. So, I'm going to go ahead and put some of the oil on here first. I mean, you could take a brush and do this, but I mean, the whole process you're doing with your hands anyway, so it doesn't matter. So, got my oil on there. Gonna spread me out some rice on here. This one is going to be a couple of pieces of cucumber this time. Cucumber gives it the color, it gives it crunch. Just one little bit more here and a little bit more down here. Gonna add some cucumbers, then some crab, and then some more cucumber. And then we're going to start to roll. And we're gonna put some oil down here. I'm gonna pull it a little tight and start to roll. And you see, this one was a little bit easier because I put the oil on it first. Let's make sure we got, make sure it's sticking. Push it tight so that it's not coming apart. There we go. Now they do have those bamboo things that some people use to roll their sushi. Like I said, why buy things if you don't have to? You saw me roll that without the bamboo, right? So there we go. I'm gonna cut this edge off. Then I'm gonna make these thicker. Look at those. Aren't they pretty? Yes. Ta-da! And we have sushi. Now, what I want to do, I have some green onions that I chopped up. And I would like to add just a little bit of soy sauce to this. Making a mess, y'all. Anyway, take some soy sauce and add that to that. And this is what I'm gonna use to top my sushi. Some people dip their sushi in different things. I'm gonna use this as my dip, but I'm actually, because the onions are in here, if you dip it, they're not gonna stick, so I'm just gonna put it on top and eat it like that. Okay guys, so you can see my sushi right there. And what I'm gonna do is take some of my soy sauce and soy sauce and onions, and just put that on there. I like imitation crab. I like real crab. And there's so many different things you can do with it, but putting it in sushi is good. It's crunching because of the cucumbers. Now, like I said, there's so many things you can put in these. Some people put sesame seeds in them. Some people put poppy seeds. You go out there, you try it however you would like. Put whatever you like in yours. You can put that raw fish if you want. I just don't do raw fish. But guess what? For those of you who are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button, and then share some of my videos, especially this one, because this is going to be a good one. So many people out there want to know how to cook sushi. I wanted to cook it for so long until I found out how easy it was, and I'm like, oh my God, I got to share this with all my subscribers. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.